Welcome back down to 79th Street Boat Ramp, where things are starting off fast here on the Miami Boat Ramps channel. We can tell my guy right here is already struggling, and is probably going to be a solid contender for our Boat Ramp Champ of the Day. Be sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment below and let us know who you think the Boat Ramp Champ is once we're done with this video. Welcome back, guys. It is your host, Broncos Guru, along with our boy Wavy Boats, down here at the Boat Ramp, watching the action unfold. This guy in the Infinity looks jacked that he's having to sit here and wait on this guy. My man's going the wrong way already again. He's figured it out. You know, the funny part about this is, I think he sees us here with the camera, so he knows he's being recorded, so he's already got the pressure on him, and he's a little frustrated. But his girlfriend's down here on the jet ski, and she looks even more nervous than he is. I wonder if this is her Jeep, or he just doesn't know what he's doing. Man, he's about to go full Jeep on this ramp. He's just going to take it right over the edge. Nope, we're going to stop it. Yeah, we're going to have to pull this one back out. He's really going to have to get a few feet over on this one. I mean, staying this close to the edge here, he's already proven he does not have the ability or the skill to keep this trailer this close to the ramp. I really am right now half tempted to walk up to this guy and ask if he'd like a little help, but I got a feeling that conversation probably would not end very well at all. For you guys, if you're ever trying to back a trailer of any kind up, one of the easiest things you can do is put your hand on the bottom of the steering wheel. If you want the rear of that trailer to go left, start rolling your hand to the left. If you want the rear of that trailer to go right, start rolling your hand to the right, and you'll get your trailer going into the proper direction. I will give him a little bit of props here, though. I mean, a single jet ski trailer can be tough. You can't see it, and this Jeep's got wide tires, so you probably really can't see anything in these mirrors because the tires are a little bit wider than the fender flares, and the trailer, by the time he even sees the trailer anywhere, it's already out of whack. Another quick tip that can really help you out if you're ever having to back a single jet ski trailer up is to pop that back hatch and be able to look out and actually see the trailer and where it's at. Oh, he's looking pretty good this time. We might actually get this thing down into the water. Are we going to have success? And no, it looks like he has messed us up again. Man, I can't believe this one. You know, I'm starting to actually feel bad for his girlfriend sitting down here on the jet ski, because I know people down here at the boat ramp already, and I see it happen all the time. He's not going to be happy with his girlfriend when he gets out of this truck. For whatever reason, when I see guys struggle this much to get trailers back down the ramp, the second they get out of the vehicle, they always want to blame it on whoever else they're with.
Okay. All right, you got to ride on it. Okay.
Oh, I don't know how we get this lucky to catch this guy doing this. I cannot believe he did not pull the outdrive up.
No. Leave it there. Leave it there and raise the motor. Hey!
Finally here. Oh, we finally see. We understand. Maybe he just didn't care. I don't know. I mean, that could be one of those ones where sometimes these guys just don't care. You know, the boat's a toy. It's whatever they're going to do with it, they're going to do. I'll tell you what, though. His little Nissan that he's got there, it looks like it's even struggling to hold this boat. Somebody go look up the stats on this thing. Can this boat even be towed by that vehicle, or are we breaking rules right there to start with? It's tough to tell from this angle, but does he have a skeg guard already on there? Apparently, it looks like he might. In other words, he does this a lot. If he's got one of those on there, he's already broke that skeg off, and he's replaced it with a metal piece to kind of either reinforce that or hide the fact that it's already missing pieces down there. Yeah, unlock the buck car. That always helps, big guy. Man, my man is just struggling here at the ramp. That's for sure. Yeah, he's having a fun time. I wonder how that time was out on the water. Tell you what, but look at his bimini top. That's kind of a rough job up there getting that put up as well. He's just like got straps wrapped around it. I'm assuming he's missing the cover of some kind that he's supposed to have up there. We're going to have to keep an eye on this one. As this gentleman asked the new captain, his girlfriend or wife or sister or whoever to take over, there was a look of bewilderment a little bit on her face, like, you want me to do what? Like, she doesn't look fully comfortable, and you can even tell right here watching her she's not fully confident. My favorite part is look at this girl in the front, though. She's not real confident either, but this is the look right here of, what am I even doing here? I'm not coming back out on the water with these people. So it looks like we're going to have to make a second attempt at this one. Let's see how our captain pulls this second attempt off. Oh, she's back into that kind of little nervous function. I really hope she pulls this off well. This is one of those situations as a significant other you don't want to be in. If your partner has asked you to go behind the wheel and you're just not confident or comfortable, you're even more nervous than you can imagine that you're going to do something silly like crash the boat into the dock or break something, because you know you're never going to hear the end of it, even though you really did not want to be behind the wheel of this thing to begin with. I'm not usually a fan of green, but this boat looks pretty sharp. And actually, I can't really even tell from here what it is, guys. Go ahead and light it up in the comment section below as well on this boat. If you know what this is, please identify it for me. It kind of has contender lines, but that doesn't make sense with the top that it has. I thought for a minute maybe it was an older Renegade, but it just doesn't make sense. That's not it either. I just can't place my finger on it. But that green looks sharp. The matching Merc 350s on the back looks great as well. If you know what it is, throw it up in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, be sure to check out our other two channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets a bunch of epic footage down at Haulover Inlet, and my channel, Broncos Guru. We do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. Also, you can check out our third channel, Boats vs. Haulover. If you haven't already, guys, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button. If not, I'm coming to steal your drain plug.